Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to unmute notes on Instagram. So if you want to unmute notes on Instagram because you muted somebody before, but now you want to unmute their notes, I'll show you guys exactly how to unmute them in this video today. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Instagram app is all the way updated. You can do that by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and searching for Instagram. But once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app. Now on the Instagram app, the notes that you might have muted, you would mute them here in your direct messages place. So you would hold down on their notes and then just click mute. Now if you mute them, they will completely disappear from your notes notification thing, the place where it shows everybody's notes. Now if you muted them and you want to unmute them, then what you want to do, you want to start here from your homepage. You want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you do that, you'll be brought to this page here. And from this page, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you do that, these options will show up here. You want to look for the settings and privacy option. Now, once you see the settings and privacy option, just click on it. Now, you might have the new settings layout or you might have the old one. But for the new settings layout, you want to scroll down until you find the option for muted. So if you find the option for muted, just click on it and you'll see everybody that you've ever muted. Now, you want to go through all the people that you've muted and click on the person that you want to unmute. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of their profile, then click on mute. Once you click on that, make sure that that option is toggled off and not blue, and then you will be able to see their notes again, as you can see here. But if you have the old settings layout, then what you want to do here in the settings option, you want to scroll down until you see the option for privacy. So once you find the privacy option, you're just going to want to click on it, and then it will bring you to this page here. On this page, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the option for muted accounts. So you want to scroll all the way down, and there should be an option right there that says muted accounts. Once you find it, click on it. It will show everybody that you've muted. It's the same process as before. You just go to the profile, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then go to notes, and then turn off the muted option. But that is how you unmute somebody on Instagram, or that's how you unmute somebody's notes on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.